Outside it's raining. Yeah, we need the rain. So I come inside. New Century number 6. It's yeah. It's a Caligraph typewriter. There is a serial number 16430. So it was manufactured between 1900 and then 1906. So depending on the correct time, it's 120-year-old around that age, this typewriter. Yeah. When I bought this one, just work the keyboard. I hit the keyboard, the space bar. If I hit the space bar, the carriage move. But when I hit any key, it doesn't work. Also, the most of the key was totally stopped. So I search everything, and then I realized the bottom line. This one was bented, so right now I make a straight. Before that, it's bented the left side. So if I hit the space bar, right now it's raised. The going down, and then hit the controller, right? The trigger for the carriage movement. And then when I release, then it also release the escapement gear. So that's why carriage move. But at the time it was bented, so it doesn't move like that. It's already stopped. That's why it's move the carriage. That means if I hit any key, this one not like that, doesn't move. So I bent, and then after that it was works for every key. But when I hit the space bar, it doesn't reach to that trigger. So I screw a little bit more and then raise up close to make the trigger to touch the bar. After that, it works perfect. So right now it works perfect. It's a very compact bottom side, right? There is not room, right? This is very well designed. As you see, it's like a up strike method. If I hit any key, it's the type bar like movement like this, right? And then hit the ribbon, and then after that hit the paper on the platen. So now that's the method to make the print. I think maybe there is missing the shield for the ribbon, but I don't know, because it was an option, or maybe this one missing. I'm not sure, because there is no that kind of any trace. So maybe at the time they can use the option without shield. They can use it. But what I want to mention, it's very technically they designed. I think a very advanced technology. They are used the huge big size ribbon. That means I guess 35 millimeter. So normally we need just like this size. It's enough for the print any key, right? Because any key, if we hit the it means same position, so we don't need that kind of a big one. But there is another idea. There are big ribbon this typewriter use the whole range. How? This one move like this way, like this, and then one whole range of this ribbon after using, then it move to this direction, and then this machine use the whole range of ribbon, and then move one more this way. It's very smart. Look at that one. First, look at this movement. Okay, I when I hit any key, you see the movement. See, right now coming this way, right? So hold this way, and then you move to the back way. At that time, this ribbon one gear of movement to this side. That means very economically they want to use the ribbon, right? After that, they move to back, right? Let's see. Yeah. So that's very advanced technology, right? So if I use this small ribbon, then I can print always in the middle. If ribbon move to there, then I cannot print the letter, right? And then I wait until here, and then I can hit the letter again, something like that. So later I can make a sample of typing using that just in the middle, okay? And then I show you something. This is a ribbon. We can wind up ribbon. In order to wind the ribbon, this one in the neutral position in the middle, then you can use this one like this. See, it's both sides, it's move, right? And also same thing, we can use this one, both sides moving, but it should be the neutral position, then like this. Okay, that's the ribbon wind up. And then this is a release button, carriage release. Let's see. To move like this, and then it's stop, right? Then after hit this one, you can move a little bit more. Already it's end over here, so the margin release, and then this is a carriage release, right? And then this is unvisible typing method, right? So every time you should look at like this, okay? And then this one is paper release. See, I show you that here. See this movement after paper release, and then this is margin setup. See, yeah, same thing here. And then this is a bell trigger. So see, yeah, this is a bell trigger. Bell is under here. Yeah, this is a bell. And then I don't know why they use this one. Little bit we can adjust it's a rail cover. This behind one we can adjust little bit inside or outside using this knob. So that's another function. And then this is the line space like this. And then we can like this also. And then yeah, pretty much it's a whole keys is 84 because each 12 keys and then 7 bank. So total is 84. So there is no shift key because each key has the one character. I'll show you what I'm saying. That's the black stuff is capital one, right? So you can see like this, hit this just one character each bar, and then this one is the lowercase. Still they have any key, that means each character. So we don't need the shift key. That's the another unique thing. So I look up the typewriter database. There are two sample picture of this 6, but they mentioned two, both of them it does not work properly. They need some work, but this one everything working perfectly. Just we need a big ribbon. Maybe we need a shield cover, but without shield, I already tested. It's good. I'll show you the behind. I already took this part from here to see the inside, because at the time it doesn't work properly, but not this part. The bottom part was bented. Also for the protected this bar, they have like this one, and then also the another protect like outside like this. So because this is a very crucial part for this machine. Very compact, right? Very there is no extra room. And then this is escapement, and then this is the mainspring. I didn't clean that much, just mechanically I oiling and then clean. So still you can see a lot of lost, right? Yeah, but working perfectly. So I'll try to typing sample typing, but it's very hard to, because I used the very small ribbon. Let's see. For paper feed, if you just using this knob, sometimes it's not correctly fit, so you need to open this one by using this one. See, like this. That means paper can go inside. So let's see, like this, and then after that we can close this one. Then it can be like this. Okay, and then also it's a paper bale. We can move using this one. After unscrew, then we can use it like this. I mean the move like this, and then certain point we can rock. Same thing, this part. So this is for the beginning of the paper feed. We need the open. That's why I mean without open, you cannot go this inside. It should be go this inside. So yeah, that's the another thing. Okay, right now let's see this. If I hit any key, then right now ribbon is in the middle, so I can hit some letter. Okay, I try. There is no backspace, so if I made a mistake, then it will be made a mistake. I wanna type some sentence. So first time. So first letter is a capital, so T, right? A little bit more here. Okay, time, T, right? T. I hit the T, and then we can look at the T. See, and then I-M-E. I lowercase m, and then E. That means time, right?
세월은 그렇게 흘러 여기까지 왔는데.
Thank you for watching.